Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect YouTube Live to Streamlabs OBS for chat alerts, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect YouTube Live to Streamlabs OBS for chat alerts, start by making sure you have both accounts set up. Open your Streamlabs OBS software and sign in with your streaming account. In the Streamlabs OBS interface, navigate to the Settings option located in the lower left corner. Once in the Settings menu, select the Stream tab from the sidebar. Under the Service drop-down menu, choose YouTube. Next, you'll be prompted to log in to your YouTube account. Follow the authentication steps to grant Streamlabs OBS access to your YouTube account. After successfully signing in, return to the main interface of Streamlabs OBS. Now, locate the dashboard in Streamlabs OBS. In the dashboard, click on the chat box widget in the left sidebar. Once the chat box widget is added to your scene, click the widget to configure its settings. Customize the appearance and behavior of your chat alerts to match your stream's theme. Ensure the chat alerts are enabled by confirming the options are checked. Next, navigate to the Alert Box widget and add it to your scene. In the Alert Box settings, locate the options for chat alerts. Enable chat alerts and customize the notification sounds, animations, and delays according to your preference. Once your alerts are set up, you must connect your YouTube live stream. Go back to the main Streamlabs OBS window and click the Go Live button. Within Streamlabs OBS, select the YouTube live streaming option to start your stream. Make sure to monitor the chat on your YouTube live page to ensure alerts function as intended. Test the chat alerts by sending messages in the live chat. Check the Streamlabs OBS preview to confirm alerts display correctly. Adjust any settings as necessary to enhance the chat alert experience. You are now ready to engage with your audience using chat alerts on your YouTube livestream. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.